Radio. So for my first attempt at YouTubing anything at all, I'm gonna pop out the headlights on a 2007 Ford Focus. It's a Euro spec DA3 Ford Focus, and it's this kind of deal. So this is not completely straightforward if you're used to changing bulbs on other newer cars or whatever. So the instruction manual says, or the owner's manual, it doesn't say much about how to do it. I can give you a quick little owner's manual. It says, well, this one's in Estonian, but anyway, it says like, open the hood, get your screw out, pop it out, or actually disconnect your wiring and then just pop it out. Not true. And I'm going to show you how you do it. So at least I can do some kind of useful content on this first kind of test video. So tools I'm gonna need is the size 30 Torx. There you go, size 30. And the owner's manual takes you this far. There you go. Using a drill or a screwdriver, electric screwdriver like I'm doing. Make sure your brake is on soft setting because this is all self-tapping and plastic and, you know, the usual. Next tool that you will be needing is something long and thin. I mean, I'm using this kind of thin chisel I got. And we're gonna poke that down there and release two clips, which the owner's manual very elegantly just skips mentioning. So here's the first one. And you'll hear it release. Second one is really hidden. It's way down there. And there it is. And that's it. That's the trick. So all you gotta do now is basically just wiggle it out. I'm gonna set this camera down. Let's see here. Right. And then just carefully just wiggle it out from its place. I'm gonna put a little protection down here. I'm not gonna disconnect the wiring right now because I will be, as a bonus, installing a couple of LED lights on this thing. So this is your back cover comes up. Disconnect the bulb. There it goes. I'm not gonna go into much detail on this because this is just your everyday bulb change. However, I will be installing these little bad boys, which are the Osram LEDriving kit, or LEDriving, or whatever you want to call them, which are pretty nice. So it consists of this ring and the bulb itself, and the way it works, it's twisted onto it like this. So what you do is you twist this thing off and get this little ring out, and that's actually what fits into the fixture here. So basically you just place that in there like any other bulb, lock and secure, then in with the LED, and it goes in sideways into its tracks, twist it around, and it's locked. Then you have leads going into this thing. The red goes on the white, black goes on the brown, and we're there. Just stick that in there. Also swapping the parking light bulb for the old glow lamp there, and I'm gonna fit this little LED parking light as well. So just stick that in there, and we're done. Now, put the back cover on. There's one. There's the other. And there we are. Then, it's a matter of reversing the process. Slide it in there. There we are. And click. It's in there. And that's about it. And when you know about the hidden clips, it's a piece of cake. And actually, I think this is a better solution than many other cars where, you know, you got your back cover cramped in between like some kind of fuse box or ECU box, and you end up scratching your hands into minced meat trying to release those things. So it's I kind of like it. So let's give them a go. See how if it works and how well they work. Let's see. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's bright. That is bright, all right. Stay cool, be cool. Peace out.